Hi, I'm Martin from Trellis. If you're a business leader, you know the feeling. You're working harder than ever, but progress feels stuck. The goals are big, the stakes are high, but too often you're chasing symptoms or fighting fires. Trellis changes that. For the past year, we've been building what we believe is the next evolution in business intelligence, an AI platform that bridges the gap between knowing what to do and actually doing it. Trellis isn't just another dashboard or chatbot. It's your proactive partner, a smarter AI-powered coach that meets you where you are. It helps you focus on what matters, understand what's blocking progress, and take action. Here's how it works.
Start with the biggest challenge your company is facing. Maybe it's growing revenue, improving margins, or scaling operations. If you're not sure where to begin, Trellis offers guided prompt starters to kick things off. From there, our AI business advisor takes the lead. It doesn't wait for you to know what to ask, it engages with you. Here's a real-world example. This business owner said their biggest challenge was customer concentration. The advisor begins by gathering public signals about the company, summarizing the most important details. Next, the advisor conducts a short diagnostic conversation, asking targeted questions to uncover the real issue. In this case, we discover the problem isn't customer concentration itself, it's that the sales team depends on the owner to close large accounts. The owner is the bottleneck. The advisor digs a little deeper to understand gaps in the sales process and team capacity. Once it has enough context, it summarizes the current state and highlights the key risks to the business. It then asks about bandwidth and budget so it can tailor recommendations to what's realistic to that company. Based on all of this, the advisor recommends several high-impact strategies to solve the problem. You can give feedback right in the chat, and Trellis adjusts in real time. Simply select the preferred strategy, and the advisor instantly builds projects with clear milestones, action steps, and delivery dates. All of this is saved and managed in the platform's project section, so progress is easy to track and share. And that's one example, but the same intelligence applies to any challenge you bring to Trellis. Behind the scenes, specialized AI agents collaborate to best serve you and your goals, whether it's conducting market research, sharing industry benchmarks, or helping you understand value drivers of your company. So whether you're a CEO setting valuation goals or a CMO trying to land 50 new clients in 6 months, Trellis adapts to you, turning complexity into clarity. And it works. One CEO using an early version of Trellis increased his company's value by 50% in under a year. He now manages multiple companies on the platform with clarity and measurable progress. That's the kind of momentum Trellis exists to unlock.
Business doesn't move without clarity. Trellis helps you cut through the noise and focus on what actually moves the needle. With Trellis, success isn't left to chance, it's built with purpose. We believe the way leaders drive execution is changing, and Trellis is built to lead that shift with you.